Ready for adventure? I see a broken lamppost. Chase. Katie's calling. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win. Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. Incredible! Puptacular! Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck! Wow! Neat! You did it, pup! More pups are waiting to join up and help! Add another to the team to access more prizes! The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win! You did it! Captain Turbot's calling. You did it, Pup! You won! Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, cluck cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen to move. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Catch some treats. Keep going, pup. Just a few more treats to get your prize. A call from Alex. Choose someone to visit. Let's go. forgot where he put his yellow helmet. Keep an eye out for it. Perfect! Back to Alex! All right, Pup. Alex can safely ride his super trike thanks to his trusty helmet. There it is! Awesome! Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! As fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish!
To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members.
Mayor Goodway is calling. Where do you want to go? We're on a roll. Oh no! Chickaletta ran away again. Help Mayor Goodway find her. Look, it's Chickaletta. Awesome! Let's bring her back to Mayor Goodway. Thanks, Pup! Mayor Goodway feels better with Chickaletta around. You got it! Pup-tacular! You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Right on, Pup! It's a gift box! Perfect! A call from Mr. Porter. Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it?
Let's go to the Moto world!
Moto Chase!
This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it!
Incredible! Awesome! Terrific trick!
Nice! Something cool to win next!
Let's go! Welcome to the off-road mountain. Dwayne from the Rough Pack is causing some real trouble, and we need the Paw Patrol to come and put a stop to him. Can you beat him in the mountain race?